It's an act of love when we pause and intentionally fall awake to how things are in this moment without succumbing to our own reactions and judgments. When we're willing to take up residency in the present moment despite our agenda aimed at getting somewhere else, we discover that stepping into the present can be both immensely difficult and yet utterly simple, but either way, it heals the mind, body, and soul. It's an act of love just to sit down and be quiet by yourself. So let's do just that. Sit comfortably in a quiet place where you can be free from distractions. Hold your spine tall but relaxed. Let your hands rest comfortably in your lap. Close your eyes or gaze softly at the ground ahead of you. As you breathe slowly in and out through your nose, spend some time with attention on the breath and establish a stable platform of moment-to-moment awareness. Without forcing, gently nudge your way into a longer inhale and an even longer exhale. Let the breath get quieter as your body softens a bit, and your mind, too, gets quieter. And now, at the center of your heart, imagine a source of radiant, soft, warm light. The light is alive, vibrating, pulsing. Feel the light within your body, its warmth, its movement, its energy. It's the limitless source of love, positivity, and well-being within you. And because it's limitless, it can easily be shared. Shared not in the way that you're giving away a slice of your happy pie, but instead think of it as Buddha stated, 1,000 candles can be lit by a single candle, and the life of that candle will not be shortened. Happiness does not decrease by being shared. Say silently to yourself these words of love. May I have happiness. May I be free from pain and suffering. May I be healthy and at ease in my body. May I never be separated from joy. May I always be in a state of contentment. Now, with those words of love, your entire body is glowing with light. Stay here and soak in this feeling of loving kindness. And now that you've lingered here in the feeling of being held in the embrace of this stable field of loving kindness, let's do an exercise with that concept of sharing limitless love by intentionally expanding the field of loving kindness around our own heart and our own being, inviting another being into your embrace. Invite someone you'd like to share this light and limitless love with. Someone you know, someone you care for, someone you love. Sit them directly across from you. They are sitting just as you are, their spine tall but relaxed, their hands in their lap. You can see them breathing. You can sense the rise and fall of their chest. Again, connect with that source of radiant, soft, warm light in your body. Then say silently to yourself these words of love. May this person have happiness. May this person be free from their pain and suffering. May this person be healthy and at ease in their body. May this person never be separated from joy. May this person always live in a state of contentment. As you send them these well wishes, you also imagine light traveling across all space and time from your body to theirs. And because of all the well wishes you sent, their entire body is now glowing with light as well. You see them having received your wishes, and you understand that they are happy, free from pain, and feeling joyful and content. Their light is so bright that it bounces back to you, and your own light now is even brighter. Rest now in the presence of this light, and rest in the sensation in your body. Slow, deep inhales, slow, deep exhales. take a slow, deep inhale and a slow, deep exhale. How did it feel to see your friend so happy and so free? By sharing our limitless love with others, we can experience fullness ourselves. The more love you give, the more love you receive. Happiness does not decrease by being shared. Sending you lots of love until we meet you in the gap again. Namaste.